You guys, do you know that one of my goals for 2025 was to start up a YouTube channel? Yes, this one you're watching right now. Let me tell you how I started this channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great out there. Compliments of the season. First of all, guys, I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Like, thank you so much for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers in less than 1 month. I was not expecting this so quickly. Like, I did not expect this to happen so quickly. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you guys. I really do not take this for granted. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Mina. I am a developing forex trader documenting my trading journey here on YouTube. So if this is the kind of content you are interested in, please consider smashing the subscribe button and also like the video. Make sure you turn on your post notification. So whenever I post a new video, you will be updated. Okay, so now back to my goals for 2025. You guys, do you know that one of my goals for 2025 was to start up a YouTube channel? Yes, this one you're watching right now. Let me tell you how I started this channel. Initially, I had plans of making like 3 to 4 videos in advance so I could start posting in January 2025. But after creating my first video, I noticed I did not have enough space on my phone to record my second video. So I decided to edit the video and save it as private on this channel, right? To save it as a draft on this channel. So when I saved the video, I noticed YouTube has already started tracking my 365 days, right? So because the reason I wanted to start in January 2025 was because I wanted to see how far I can grow in a space of 1 year, like from January till December, right? I wanted to see how I could grow to get my 1,000 subscribers, my 4,000 watch hours. So that's why I wanted to start in January 2025. But seeing that YouTube has already started tracking the 365 days, I decided to publish the video, right? I created a thumbnail for it, then I published my first video. If you watched my first video, which I was talking about my Forex journey, that was the first video I created for this channel, which I wanted to save as a draft to start posting in January. Okay, so when I posted the video for like 8 hours, I did not get any views or subscribers. So I said to myself that if this video doesn't gain views or subscribers by the end of tomorrow, that I will just save it back as private and stick to the initial plan of starting in January. Okay, so when I came back the next day to check, I realized I was so surprised that the video had already gotten over 100 views, and at the time I got like 17 subscribers. I was so excited, guys. I was really excited about it. As a result of the comments I got from the posts, the likes and the views, I decided to create my second video and to publish it at once, right? That was how I started the channel, guys. And I'm so excited that just in a month that my channel could grow this fast, because I did not see this coming. And I'm so excited, guys. Thank you so much for being part of this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for subscribing, for your comments, for giving me that motivation to continue this channel in this 2024. I really appreciate it, guys. And now, if you are watching this video and you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, like you want to start a YouTube channel and you're waiting for the right time, the perfect time to start it, I really don't think there is anything like the perfect time to start a YouTube channel. If you have plans of starting, just kickstart, just start. You never can tell how far your channel could grow. Okay, so my first goal for 2025 started in 2024, which I'm so grateful for. Now, let me talk about my second goal for 2025. So, guys, my second goal for 2025 is to take my journaling seriously. You guys, when it comes to journaling, I'm very lazy. I'm not even going to lie. I'm very lazy to journal my trades. Do you know that the journal I created 6 months ago to journal my trades have not journal trades up to like 20 times on that template, which is very bad, right? So I really need to cultivate that habit of journaling my trades from 2025, which is just around the corner. So I've created a new template which I want to start journaling officially in January. Now let me show you how my template looks like. See here is written boldly 2025. Okay, I have the first quarter of the year, which is January, February, March. Let me click on January. I have the first week, I have the second week, I have the third week, I also have the fourth week. Let me click on the first week. So this is, I have the list overview, I have my pair, I have the dates, I have the day of the week, I have the time, I have the position, I have my point of interest here, I have my point of interest here, I have my confirmation, I have my outcome where I want to be journaling my outcome, I have my P&L, I have my emotions. You guys, I really need to pay attention to my emotions when I'm picking trades because it's necessary, right? What makes someone a successful or a profitable forex trader is the ability to understand his or herself properly while trading. I really need to journal my emotions when I'm picking trades, and when I close the trades, I need to pay attention to this. The next one is lessons I've learned from each trade. I also need to journal the lessons I've learned from each trade. So if it was a winning trade, what did I learn from it? If it was a losing trade, what did I learn from it? This is going to give me more confidence when I'm picking trades. It's also going to help me to know where I need some adjustments and how to go about it, right? So I have forecasting here as well. Let me click on it. Right, so this is where I'll be doing my forecasting. Here is January. Let me click on January. I have the first week. Let me click on the first week. I have Monday. This is Monday. Let me click on, this is Monday. This is my forecast here. I have the weekly forecast. I have daily. I have H4. I have H1. I have M15. So this is where I will be pasting my forecast. So my next goal for 2025 is to learn how to apply proper risk management in my trading. They said traders are professional risk managers. So for one to be a successful forex trader, you have to learn how to apply proper risk management on your trades, right? Now, sometimes you hear like when once you see your setup, knack and better lot size, what if the trade goes against you? Let's say you're risking like 5% of your account, and at that point, the market decided to show you shege. So my next goal for 2025 is to learn how to apply proper risk management when I'm picking trades. Like if I decide to risk 1% of my account, I have to stay disciplined to risk only 1% of my account. If it's like 2% or half percent of my account, I have to stick to the plan of risking just that. The next thing I want to work on is staying disciplined to stick to the plan. Like, guys, it's hard. Do you know sometimes I find it difficult to follow my plans, which is something that I really need to work on. Sometimes I find it difficult to stay disciplined to follow my plans or to wait for my setup to form before picking an entry, which is bad, right? I know. So I really need to pay attention to that, to stay disciplined and follow my plans, plan my trades before I pick an entry, and stick to the plan of picking what I've already planned, right? One thing I've come to realize about trading is trading will always point out that area of your life that you really need to work on. I don't know, that's part of your life that you really need to adjust, that you really need to work on. Let's say you're disciplined, you're not disciplined when it comes to any other thing in your life, but when it comes to trading, whether you like it or not, you have to learn how to stay disciplined. If not, the market will humble you. So that's what I really want to work on. So that's actually my goal for 2025, and to also work on my psychology. They said trading is 20% technical and 80% psychology, right? So for one to be a successful trader, the person needs to learn how to manage his or her emotions, learn more about his or her psychology and stuffs like that, right? So that's another thing I really need to work on. 2025 is just around the corner, right? Yeah, 2025 is just around the corner. So that is it, guys. Also, guys, I want to use this medium to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, guys. 2025 is around the corner. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.